Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 414011. This is a double diamond application. Load wheel assembly. Okay. This video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Double diamond is a type of door, sliding type of door from Stanley. There is a link below this video to a document called Technical Drawing, which doesn't give you any dimensions, but does show you the wheel in an overall breakout type of sense with the true arc ring, your interior bearing raceway, your outer wheel itself, and then of course the threaded attachment with its spindle, its grooved or curved spindle, I suppose. So let's take some dimensional properties of the item now. Overall diameter of the wheel, and the dimensions are really meant to help determine if this is your wheel or not. We're looking at 2.5 inch, maybe just shy on 2.5 inch outside diameter. Let's go to the more accurate dimension, or the more critical ones. The outside wheel thickness, 0.704. A dimension of the diameter, the inner diameter of this scooped profile to the wheel, 2.12. Diameter here between my fingers, where my fingers are inside. The outside diameter of the threads of the mounting portion, 0.767, and then an overall projection. .633. Okay. Double diamond application, this video again to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley Access products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's catalog, to their website, and then several encyclopedic documents like parts manuals, like wiring diagrams. We try to keep those there as well. Any questions on the Stanley 414011 load wheel assembly or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.